How to use copy and paste on Android. If you think about which device you type the most on in a day, it's likely your phone. And that's fine. Sometimes, however, typing on a phone can be a bit of a pain in the keister. And if you've typed out a long tirade of a text and want to share it with someone else, typing it out all over again sucks. Like on a computer, you can just copy and paste text on your Android phone or tablet. It's easy peasy, and here's how to do it. Some phones, like the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 that I used here, may have a clipboard option, which lets you select from a few of your most recent copies and paste them again. If that's the case, the pasting steps are the same. In some apps, you may only have access to the clipboard when you tap and hold to paste. In those cases, like here with Google Keep, tap and hold where you'd like to paste the text. If you want to share a link with someone, you can copy the link from the address bar in your browser, or copy the link address from the link text. Here's how. You can also share a link by copying its text from the address bar. Tap and hold in the address bar to copy the URL. Now you know how to copy and paste text and links. Images work the same way. So there's nothing stopping you from becoming a productivity power user on the go. But use your powers wisely. The successor to last year's top-of-the-line phone is the middle child this time around, but loses none of its appeal. In fact, with a more manageable size and weight, plus a superb primary camera that's sure to improve with updates, the Galaxy S20 Plus could be the best phone of 2020. If video recording is your thing, then look no further than the Sony Xperia 1. It offers a large screen, 3 great cameras, and extremely robust manual video controls. You're on the move and making memories on your mobile. While digital is great, why not try and make those memories a little more permanent with a tangible photo? It's that time of the year for the Pride celebrations to commence, including the multitude of parades, parties, and more. These shirts will show off your support of the Pride community, along with your love for Google and Android. Mick is a writer and duty editor for Android Central. When he's not on the job, he can usually be found vacuuming up pet hair or trying to convince his wife that he needs more guitars. Jeremy is proud to help keep Austin weird and loves hiking in the hill country of Central Texas with a breakfast taco in each hand. When he's not writing about smart home gadgets and wearables, he's defending his relationship with his smart voice assistants to his family. You can follow him on Twitter at @Jeremiahute. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.